Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the steps to open developer tools in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Enter your login credentials to access your inbox. Step 2. Once you're on the Gmail page, right-click anywhere on the page to bring up a context menu. Step 3. From the menu, select the Inspect option. This action will open the Developer Tools panel, allowing you to analyze and modify the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript of the Gmail page. Developer Tools is a powerful tool that can be used for debugging, troubleshooting, and making changes to the Gmail interface. It provides a deeper level of control and customization for advanced users. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to open developer tools in Gmail on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.